Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a Google form. Google form is used for survey, questionnaires, and event registration. Let us see how to do it. Open your browser. In the top right corner of your screen, click on Google Apps. Scroll down. Here we have Google Forms. There are various templates, blank form, contact form, and here we have template gallery with different and attractive forms. I will simply go with blank form. Here will be your form title, university name, okay, XYZ. This will be your first question, university contact, okay. Here we have different question types, short question, paragraph, multi-choice, checkbox, drop down. I will go for short answer. Here, if you turn this on, will be mandatory to fill and then submit the form. Add one more question, available schools. Will be multi-choice. The first choice, engineering. Add one more, medicine. Here we have the third option, law. Okay, again, this will be mandatory to fill. You can add more questions with different type question. And now you can customize your form. Here, customize them. You can change the text style for header, for questions, and you can change the color, as you can see. Also, background color. You can add image. I will go for this. Insert. Here, as you can see, image is added. Now, if you want to share this Google form with the other people, for example, students or employee, simply go here, share, write the email here, and then click on done. This will be shared. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and give your feedback in the comments.